Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UGC नेट पेपर 2023. Match the item into column constitution amendment subject issue. एक सौ एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट GST 103 is related to the 103 is related 103 is related EBS reservation and 61 Constitution Amendment Act is related maximum number of the minister and 15 of the Lok Sabha strength. 19 Constitution Amendment Act voting age lowered from the 21 to 18. Which recent state election in India reflected the Divergence law that FPTP heavily punish the third parties and as voters and vote strategically. A. West Bengal. Which articles and was the added and to the give EWS reservation by the 103 constitutional amendment? D. Both the above. 15.4, 15.6 and 16.6, which is not another name and for the affirmatives and actions policy. D. Negative discrimination. Which resolution changes the course of the Punjab and politics in the latter part of the 20th century? D. Anandpur Sahab resolutions. Which party, despite getting third largest share of the vote across the country in 2014's general election, did not win even a single seat? D. DSP. Which of those election does not use the PR's proportional representations? D. None of the above. In which election first time an EVM electronic voting machines was used? C. 1982 assembly election in one constitutionally in Kerala, when the president accepted advice of the Lok Sabha dissolution by other PM who did not have majorities in the Lok Sabha. D. All the above. In 1979 and President Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy expected the ideas of the PM Charan Singh to the dissolve the Lok Sabha. In 1991 President and R. Venkataraman expected the advice of the PM Chandra Shekhar Sen to dissolve the Lok Sabha. In 1971 President B.B. Giri expected the advice of the PM Indira Gandhi and to dissolve the Lok Sabha. Who first advocated and parties and lays the democracy in India? C. J. Prakash Narayan. Which is not correctly at the matches organization person and movement MKSS. Majumdar Kisan Sakshi Sangathan is related to the National Green Tribunal. India Against the Corruption IAC is related to D. Which of the taxes is the levied and collected by the centrals but distributed to the state? A. Estate duty on the property and match the items in two columns. Books essay on the public administration thinker author. A. Administration state is Dwayne Beldo towards a new public administration. The Minobrook perspectives is related to the Frank Marini. The functions of the executives is related to the Chester Bernard. Administration in developing centuries is related to the Frederick. Books on public administration and thinkers. D. Gender gap in public administrations is related. Camilla Stevens and the feminist case against bureaucracy is related to the Kathy E. Ferguson's, and dynamic administration is related to the Marie Parker's Follett. Women in public administration is related to the Holly Leavies and Maria H. Approaches to public policies and thinkers. System approach is related to the D. David Ilston's structural functionals is related to the Gabriel Almond and the Bentham table. Incrementalism is related to the A. Charles Lindsboom. Rational choice theory is related to the Adam Smith. Which one is not other challenges in the evolution of the public policy? C. Behavior of government. Match the items in 2 columns. Definition of the public administration and who gave. A or B. Public administrations is denied and system application of law is Woodrow Wilson. The activities of the executive branches of the national, state and the local government. Simon. The art and the science of management applied to the affairs of the state. Dewey Waldo. Public administrations and consist of all those the operations and having for their the purpose and the fulfillment or in enforcement of public policy. L.D. White. Which authority conduct all election to the panchayat? C. State Election Commission. Match the items in 2 columns. Concept in organization theory and thinkers. A. Motivator hygienes approach. Motivator hygienes approach is related to the Motivator hygienes approach is related to the Frederick Herndon. Unity of command is related to the B. Henry Fayol. Hierarchy of need is related to the D. Abraham Maslow. Concept of the partnerships is related to the MP Follett. Match the item in 2 columns. D. Decentralization along and with central office. Decentralization, central office unit shift and one function activities. Field local units. About transforming authority and for the decisions. Delegation. Delegation is related. Delegation is related to the along with transfer of the function and local or the field units and are also giving and some the authority for decision making and the discretions. Debureaucrations is related. B. Transfer of the some planning administration responsibilities and the public functions and from government to the non-government organization, NGOs and private sector pupils organization. D. Bureaucrations. Devolution is related to the along with transfers of functions and local or field unit are also giving and some the authority and for decisions making and discretions. Match the item in two columns. Community for the Panchayati Raj and main recommendation. B. Ashok Mehta committee is related to the district as the basis of the planning. G.V.K. Rao committee is related to the constitution mandate to Panchayati Raj system. A.L.M. Singhavi committee is related to the three tiers model of the Panchayat Raj system, and Balwant Rao Mehta committee is related to the tiers model of the Panchayat Raj system. Which was the committee on the anti-corruptions? Anti-corruption is related to the Santhanan committee. The concern of the Europe was the balance of the power arrangement among the great powers of the Europe after the Napoleon's War, and who were those great power. Australia, France, Persia, Russia and the United Kingdom, who started and low in the commands of the sovereign base by the sanctions. A. John Austin, who is the oldest person to become the US president. B. Joe Biden, who said power in the international politics is like the weathers and everyone talks about it and but few understand it. C. Joseph Neo, which leaders and did not play and any roles in the foundation of the non-aligned movement. B. Julius Nyerere, International Society Traditionals and is also known as the B. English Schools of the International Relation. Which of the thus statements are not corrected? D. Neoliberalism and support the ideas of the market and individualism and active interventions of the state in social and the economical affairs. Assertion India has not siege and NPT and reasons India supported completed the nuclear disarmament. Choose the correct option. Both A and R trues and is the correct explanation of A. Post 91 post 9 upon 11 plan and the hijacks hostage as method of the tourism has reduced. Reason are tourism are using and the operationally and less complex and quick the result method such as the suicide attack and serial bombing indiscriminates and firing. A. A is related to the both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Who is the correct chronological orders and of the development and listed below? D. Cuban Mission Crisis and A. Indo-Soviet Treaty of Friendships and Indian first nuclear exploration as Pokhran and adoption of the structure adjustment program of India. With whom the terms and the shuttles and diplomacy is associated. A. US Secretary of the State Henry Kissinger.